Why are more people not talking about the CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR? This machine is a powerhouse, designed to handle the most demanding games and applications with ease. It's time we give it the attention it deserves. Let's dive into this beast of a machine. From the moment you unbox it, you can tell this is no ordinary gaming PC. The sleek design, the vibrant RGB lighting, and the sheer presence of the CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR make it a standout. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR is armed with an Intel Core i9-14900KF processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super graphics card. This combination is a dream for gamers and content creators alike, offering unparalleled performance and speed. This combo means smooth gameplay and effortless multitasking. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working on intensive projects, this PC handles it all without breaking a sweat. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2TB NVMe SSD, say goodbye to long loading times. The high-speed RAM ensures that your system runs smoothly, even when you're running multiple applications at once. And the massive SSD provides ample storage for all your games, files, and media. Plus, it's rocking Windows 11 Home for that sleek, modern feel. The new interface is not only visually appealing, but also packed with features that enhance your productivity and gaming experience. And who doesn't love cool extras? The CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR comes with a range of accessories that elevate your gaming setup. From mechanical keyboards to high-end mice and gaming headsets, every detail is designed to enhance your experience. From a liquid-cooled CPU, which ensures that your system stays cool even during intense gaming sessions, to flashy RGB lighting, this rig has it all. The customizable lighting not only looks great, but also allows you to personalize your setup to match your style. So, is the CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR the ultimate gaming setup? With its powerful components, sleek design, and range of features, it certainly makes a strong case for itself. You bet it is. The performance, the aesthetics, and the overall experience make it a top choice for gamers and tech enthusiasts. Like and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the latest and greatest in gaming technology. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth reviews and insights into the world of tech. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR isn't just about raw power. It's also about the experience. The attention to detail in its design and the thoughtfulness in its features make it a joy to use. Many gamers have shared their positive experiences with this PC, praising its reliability and performance. It's not just a machine, it's a gateway to immersive gaming and creative possibilities. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters, expansive RPGs, or creative projects, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR delivers. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment. Connectivity is another strong point. With a plethora of ports and options, you can easily connect all your peripherals and accessories. This makes it a hub for all your gaming and productivity needs. Customization is key, and the CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR doesn't disappoint. The RGB lighting can be tailored to your preferences, allowing you to create a setup that's uniquely yours. The cooling system is another highlight. With advanced liquid cooling, your PC stays at optimal temperatures, even during the most demanding tasks. This not only enhances performance, but also extends the lifespan of your components. For content creators, this PC is a dream. The powerful hardware ensures smooth playback and editing of high-resolution footage, making it an excellent choice for video editors and graphic designers. The design is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into any setup. Whether you're a gamer, a creator, or a professional, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR looks the part. And let's not forget about VR. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR is built to handle virtual reality with ease, providing an immersive experience that's second to none. In conclusion, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR is a powerhouse that delivers on all fronts. From gaming to productivity, it excels in every area, making it a worthy investment for anyone looking to upgrade their setup. So, if you're in the market for a new gaming PC, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR should be at the top of your list. It's a beast of a machine that truly lives up to its name. Like and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. Your support helps us bring you the best in gaming and tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.